Hey everybody, it's Peter from the Kia Hyundai channel, and this is the 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid. So in this video, we're going to talk about a couple things. One, what is a hybrid? Two, how does it work? Three, why it may make more sense to buy a hybrid crossover or SUV instead of a small economy car hybrid if you're considering a hybrid. So let's start with what is a hybrid? Well, very simply, a hybrid is just a regular car. It adds in a little electric motor in under the hood. It has a battery as well, and basically when you're driving along, every now and then it can turn the gasoline engine off and you can run stretches on pure electricity. However, most of the time you're going to blend that gasoline engine and the electric motor. You're going to have pretty good power, but you're going to have really good efficiency and great emissions. So it's an electric motor that never needs to be charged, because never needs to be plugged in to be charged, because as you're coasting or braking, it's charging itself, and it can also use some of the gasoline motor to charge that battery. It sounds really complicated, but hybrids as a class have been among the most reliable vehicles on the road. So basically, you get in, you put it in drive, it drives like normal. It might be a little quieter, especially at times, and the new hybrids are really smooth in that transition. You almost don't feel the transition from gasoline to electric, and it saves you fuel. It's very simple. Now, why would you want to buy a crossover or an SUV instead of an economy car? Well, my terrible artwork up here is going to show you why right now. All right, I'm terrible at artwork, and to be fair, I didn't even do this. I had to get someone else to do it because I'm that bad. But let's say you're looking at a hybrid, and in your brain you're thinking, I want to get the most efficient hybrid possible. So we're going to get a dinky little car with a hybrid to save the most amount of fuel, instead of considering replacing your crossover with a hybrid, which will actually save you more money. Now let me show you why. Let's assume that this is your fuel use. Each square, let's say, represents $25 of fuel. You're going to save 25% or so on the average hybrid. So there's 25%. We lose one square right there. Now, if you get a hybrid SUV, so this is an economy car. If you get a hybrid SUV, you're going to save 25% as well. This Santa Fe saves about 25% fuel compared to a regular SUV. Well, what you actually saved was two squares. If each one of those squares represents $25 of your fuel bill, buying a small car, you may only save $25, where driving the same types of distance, you may save $50 if you get a crossover. So it may be worth considering replacing your least efficient vehicle with a hybrid instead of your most efficient vehicle with a hybrid. If you want to know more about hybrids, plug-in hybrids, or electric vehicles, this is the channel for you. We specialize in those vehicles, and we have all kinds of videos on EVs, PHEVs, and hybrids. This is a video today that we're going to do. It's going to be a half-an-hour live video about this vehicle. Tomorrow we're going to do the same thing about a plug-in hybrid. Also, support the dealers that support this channel. They are EV experts. Brantford Kia, Brantford Hyundai, and Owen Sound Hyundai are all here to help you with your hybrid, PHEV, or EV needs. Thanks for watching.